Hey everybody, how you doing? Mr.Bookman here, and today I will be reading Tell Me Your Dreams by Amanda Kloots and Alex Willmore. Please enjoy. Tell me your dreams. It's bedtime. Cozy pajamas. Favorite, lovely, warmest blanket. Special bedtime rocking chair. Cuddle into mama. Little one, are you listening? Yes, mama. Mama will tuck you into bed and you will go sleepy. Honk, shh, honk, shh. And when you're asleep, that's when you dream. Do you want to tell me your dreams? Yes. In your dream, anything is possible. In your dreams, you could go anywhere, do anything, see anyone. Tonight in your dreams, trash trucks. Okay, tonight in your dreams, a trash truck appears in your room. What color is it? Green. And who's driving that big green trash truck? Dada. That's right. So you get into the trash truck and start driving down the street. Honk, honk. All of a sudden, that trash truck turns into a big airplane. You're flying over the neighborhood into the clouds. Whee! And look, the clouds are made of vanilla ice cream. And it's raining rainbow sparkles. Yummy! And you land on the warm sand. What do you want to build with Dada? A choo-choo. Okay, you build the largest choo-choo ever. It's glittering in the sun as Dada says, all aboard. You step inside the train with Dada. This time he lets you drive. Yeah. You drive the choo-choo into the ocean, gliding over the water. It goes faster and faster. Chug, chug, chug. Dolphins swim by. They jump up to give you a high five. Before you know it, you're back in your room, safe and sound. Dada tucks you into your bed. He gives you the biggest hug ever. I love you, he whispers. And what do you say? I love you, Dada. In the morning, you can tell me about your dream, where you went, what you did, and who you saw. But for now, it's time to go sleepy. Sweet dreams. Oh, wasn't that a cute story? Do any of you always remember your dreams? If you do, let me know with a thumbs up if any of you remember any of your dreams. Just curious, do you remember your dreams when you wake up? And do you jot them down? Yeah, always remember to jot down your dreams, what you dreamt about. That's always fun to do. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading here, and if you did, can you give it a thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring other people here to my channel and check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a video like this, you will be notified. But until my next video, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one, and thanks for watching, everybody.